Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a bit short, but anyhow, to me it's an important thing to do. As you might have seen or remember, I did mess up my trunk lid when installing the Ford Performance deck lid panel. That's the way it goes. I'll put a link in the banner on top so you can see the video and see what you're not supposed to do, or you can do it if you want to mess up your car as I did. However, for those of you who have not seen that video, I don't know if this comes through, but here you can see there is a dent and there are some more going across the boot lid. I know I messed up really bad. Hopefully the shop will be able to rectify that in order for us to have a clean car. Some of you might know I am a real type of OCD guy, so to speak, so this is driving me nuts. It's almost embarrassing to drive the car. I'm thinking people from behind are looking at the car and thinking what an idiot, he has messed up his sports car or whatever. That's my weird way of thinking. So we will head on to a shop which I have been using before for fixing dents on doors, etc., where other people have not been careful. So hopefully this will be rectified, or at least we will be able to minimize the damage to the extent possible. And we have something coming for the deck lid panel itself. But anyhow, let's back the car up and head over to the shop. Are here, so let's go inside and see what they have to say. As usual, I don't think I will be able to record anything inside. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are now back from the shop, and as I was explaining, unfortunately I cannot film inside there, but here we have the results. It is looking much better. If you know what you're looking for, you can still see it, but compared to what it was like before, it is much better. In worst case, I think it will be possible just to paint this portion, but I don't know. Here you have what I was talking about, but you need to look for it, then you will see it. Otherwise it's quite difficult to see actually. Of course, I'm not satisfied, and actually the person who did it, or the shop who did it, he didn't charge me anything for it because it's not perfect. So I guess we both are OCD-ish people. Anyhow, this is an learning experience, and also not to do this type of thing when you have not slept or worked a lot, because mentally you're not clear, and I was unfortunately using the wrong tool for the job and I messed up the deck lid. So, but in perspective, I mean, from this distance, even if you know what you're looking for, you cannot see anything. It is if you go close by and in this angle. So that's the way it is. It was a short video, and it's a sort of a mod, or I don't know, job done to the car. Give me one thumbs up, 2 thumbs down, subscribe, and until the next time.